Hi guys, in this video today, we'll go over the payroll dashboard in the HR module. To begin, head over to the HR section and go to payroll dashboard, or just use the smart search instead. The payroll dashboard gives you a quick overview of your payroll and overtime amounts for the selected year. This helps you review payroll totals, compare overtime, and see which departments or employees are contributing the most to payroll costs. At the top, you will see the current filter. In this example, the dashboard is filtered by this year, which is 2026. If you want to change the year, click the drop-down arrow to open the filter section. From here, you can select a different year. You can also filter the dashboard by store department. Click the store department drop-down, select the department you want to view, and then click Show. The dashboard will update based on the selected year and department. If you want to include petty cash amounts in the payroll totals, check the Include Petty Cash option on the right side. The first chart shows the payroll amount by month. You can hover over any bar to see the exact amount for that month. Below that, the overtime chart shows overtime amounts by month. This helps you quickly identify where overtime is higher and review if needed. On the right side, you will see top payrolls and top overtime. These sections can be filtered by store department, employee, month, or day. This makes it easier to review payroll or overtime totals from different views. For example, if you select employee, the system will show payroll or overtime totals by employee. If you select month, it will summarize the amounts by month. If you select day, it will break the totals down by day. If you want to remove the filter and return the dashboard back to default view, click Reset Filter at the top right. And that is how you use Payroll Dashboard in the HR module to review payroll, overtime, and top payroll summaries. And that's all from me for the Payroll Dashboard. I'll catch you guys in our next video.